Good morning. I'm Navin Yadav from Suro School. We are learning topic combustion and flame. So we have learned about combustion and how condition necessary for combustion. Today we will learn about how to stop a combustion. How to stop a combustion or extinguish a fire. So we have learned that there are three conditions that are necessary to combustion for start. So if we remove any condition from that three conditions, fire can be stopped. For example, if something is burning, we remove combustible substance. If we remove combustible substance from there, the fire get extinguished, because fire do not get anything that in which combustion occur, so it get extinguished. Second, removal of oxygen or absence of the oxygen. If we stop the supply of oxygen, if we stop the supply of oxygen, it also get extinguish the fire. For example, what we use in fire extinguisher, we do it produce carbon dioxide gas. Mainly it produces carbon dioxide gas which surround the area of the fire and extinguish the fire. Now third, cooling below ignition temperature. Cooling below ignition temperature. For example, what we do in the fire with wood, we throw water on it. Water, what to do? Water cool down the wood and its temperature become the lower than ignition temperature. So it gets fire on the wood get extinguished. Also water stop the supply of oxygen. So fire get extinguished. So these are three main methods by which we can extinguish the fire. But we use different methods on different types of fire. For example, on firing electronic substance, what we do? We use the cutting the supply of oxygen, because if we use water on electronic substance, that we can get soaked and it also get damaged. The fire on some substance, for example, petrol, diesel, they cannot be extinguished by water. So what we do? We also use cutting of the supply of the oxygen. Okay. Now we also have to learn like one substance. We will learn about the how to extinguish fire. Now we have to learn about types of combustion. Types of combustion. First is slow combustion. That fire burn, that the substance burns slowly. For example, wood, paper, etc. The fire and the substance get burned slowly. Second, rapid combustion. The example are CNG and LPG. In CNG and LPG, combustion occurs rapidly. Whenever they get a heating point, that start burning and burn rapidly. So it is a rapid combustion. Spontaneous combustion. What is spontaneous combustion? In spontaneous combustion, a substance burn itself. For example, phosphorus, sodium, they burn itself when it come into contact with air. So there are spontaneous combustion. Fourth, explosion. Explosion is also a type of combustion in which a large amount of gas is produced. For example, in firecrackers. In firecrackers, a large amount of gas produced, which produce what they produce? Which produce sound. Okay, which we can hear from a large distance. So it is a type of combustion. Explosion is also a type of combustion. Now we have to create inflammable substance. You all have seen this word inflammable substance on many places. For example, the truck that carry oil or petrol or some gas. They also inflammable substance also written on that truck also. So what is inflammable substance? Inflammable substance are substance that have low ignition temperature. That means they can catch fire easily. It have low ignition temperature and catch fire easily. So we have to be more have more safety during use these substances. Okay. Now our next point is flame. When a substance burn, it produce flame. And the color of the flame and the temperature of the flame is according to the combustion occur. If a complete combustion occur, of that substance, the flame have color blue and it have higher temperature. It have mainly blue color and more temperature. It means it have more heat. Okay. The example is a burning of gas at our home, or the burning of CNG or LPG. Second, flame produced due to the incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion. When incomplete combustion occurs, there is large amount of waste products produced. These waste produce what they do? They change the color of the flame and produce yellow color, mainly yellow color. Yellow is orange color, so it produces yellowish orange color, and it have low heat temperature, so it have low heat. Hope you understand these topics. Thank you.